Hello everyone, welcome to Biological Sciences, and this is Ayushi Pal. This video is about an experiment which was called Rutherford scattering experiment, and this was to propose the existence of the nucleus in the center of the atom. So let's start with the hypothesis to understand the structure of atom. Let's say the hypothesis states that the atoms are composed of diffuse positive charges with embedded negative charge, that is electrons. Like you can see in this diagram, this sphere is an atom, and this atom is composed of positive charges all around, and you can see the negative charges embedded in it. Now we have to test this hypothesis that this structure of atom exists or not. Through this hypothesis, we can predict that if alpha particles, which are helium nuclei, which are positive in nature, are shot at a thin foil of gold, which must have atoms of gold, the alpha particles will not be deflected by the positive charges, but can deflect from the negative charges, as you can see in this diagram. Alpha particles are easily passing through the positive charges and can deflect through the negative charges. And this is the whole setup of the experiment that was conducted by the Ernest Rutherford. So this was the test conducted by the Rutherford. Here you can see the source of alpha particles from which a beam of particles are shot at a thin gold foil, and this setup was surrounded by the detector screen to detect the scattering of particles from all the directions. Here you can also see that some of the particles are scattered, but most of the particles are undeflected and pass through the foil. So the result was the most particles that were undeflected, not detected by the detector, and the deflected particles was detected by the detector screen. And from this result we can infer that this kind of structure of atom you can see in this diagram, where you can see that the particles are undeflected, pass through the center of the atom, which infer that the positive charges resides in the center, and the small deflection is due to the negative charges, that are electrons, around the center. So from the result we can conclude that the hypothesis is not supported, and the large detections observed led to a view of the atom as composed of a very small central region containing positive charges, which is the nucleus, and that nucleus was surrounded by the electrons, as you can see in this diagram. So now I hope you have understood this video. Please like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more videos